Hi, I am PixelPia and welcome back. Today I will continue my series about Redbubble, and today we will talk a little bit about their customer care. This is something we as sellers of print on demand normally don't have to deal with, but it's good to know what the platform you are selling your print on demand on have as rules for the customer care. Let's start by the buying process. Your customer search the website and maybe they find one of your creations. They put it in their shopping cart and they go to check out. Here they can choose to pay with debit or credit card. They can use their PayPal. As you can see on this in this image, we have a couple of alternatives: Afterpay, Klarna, and using your Amazon account. I will not go over those in today's tutorial, but if you are interested, leave a comment down below. The shipping process, which is all handled by Redbubble, will take approximately between 7 and 14 days, depending on what country the seller and the buyer are in, and also what type of printing it is. Redbubble use a lot of different printers and printing companies, depending on material, country, and location. When you go to your checkout, you can see the price of the product and the shipping cost. And here you have two alternatives: regular shipping or express shipping. But if you're an international customer, you have to be aware of what rules your country has about import. There might be additional customs fees and other fees that Redbubble have no control over. So check with your country's import regulation before you order. If Redbubble ships abroad, they include a customs clearance information where they claim the full value of the product you ordered, and it will be marked as the item you ordered. As I said, Redbubble ships worldwide. Every time you buy something, you will get a tracking number, and keep that information because that information takes you to the article you bought, and if you later on need to return it, that is very important that you have. If you order something and right after you have ordered, before it is sent, the order is sent to the printer, you can cancel your order. After it's printed, you can no longer cancel. But Redbubble have a return policy of 30 days. They are very strict with the 30 days, and the product has to be new, unopened, for the return to be accepted. If you follow the link in the email you got to your product, there are links to how to start your return process from there. Now to you as a seller on Redbubble. Sometimes, not often, but sometimes a customer might contact you directly, either through the Bubble mail or through your social media connections that you have set up on your Redbubble store, if they are not happy with their purchase. And there are some things that are important for you if that happens. First of all, it's important that you quickly respond to that customer, that you start a conversation. Of course, it's important that you are professional and courteous in your communication, that you are well aware of the return policies on Redbubble so you can guide your customer, that you also are aware of the product information that is connected to this specific article, that you review the customer's order so you know if they are discussing a return that you are within the 30-day time limit. If you deem that this request of a return is valid, you should help the customer to find the page where they can start the return process. When they find that web page where they can start the return, Redbubble will handle it from there. But if you are unsure on any steps of the way, you can contact the Redbubble support. And if you are a seller, the email you should contact is support@redbubble.com, which is different from the email a customer should use. A customer should use help@redbubble.com for email communication. Don't look at this as a mistake. Look at this as a learning possibility for you. Maybe you have put a design on a product that wasn't the best alternative for this specific design. Maybe you need to improve your description of your artwork to really explain to the customer what this is. It doesn't matter why a customer is unhappy. Your responsibility is to help this customer to solve their problem. Let me end this video with information how you can contact Redbubble. I already mentioned the two different emails. Support@redbubble.com for us sellers and help@redbubble.com for customers. You can also call Redbubble, and if you are in the US, either as a seller or a customer, the phone number is 888-215-4165. If you are an international seller or customer, the phone number is +61 390785200. And as I said, don't forget that Redbubble has an extensive help section. And I will copy a couple of links that I think can be valuable for you as a seller to familiarize yourself with. Until next time, goodbye.